What's up, Hustle Gang? It's your boy Tony. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, guys. Today's video, guys, we are going to try something new. I'm in the backyard right now, guys. The visit is coming, the family, but I don't have anything to entertain them. You know, really, I was thinking about if I don't rent out the last bouncer, then I would just air it up right here for the kids. The kids are running around the house right now, guys. So I was thinking, you know what? I have one last screen projector. Now, I sell electronics, guys, as y'all already know, but I decided I'm just gonna keep this one. I also was thinking, why not just put it for rent? So we're gonna see if it looks good. We're gonna put it for rent. We're gonna try to kind of create a bundle of like a movie theater bundle. That's what I was thinking about. So if everything looks good, it might be another addition to the business. All right. So I'm gonna open up these, guys. This is the last box I got, and I have two projectors. They're my personal projectors. One is in the office, one is in my room. Like, you know, that's where I do. I watch movies and all that. But yeah, we're just gonna put it outside, and that way, you know, I can keep everybody entertained instead of everybody being inside the house. So yeah, let's open the box so y'all can see what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So this is the outdoor big screen 92 inch, guys. Ooh, almost dropped it. So we're gonna open it up, guys. I never opened one of these up, and I just came across these things and I started selling them. But this is the last one I have, and like I said, I don't have nothing to entertain the visit. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. All right, and it's not even cold outside, guys. It's probably about 70s, about low 70s, but it's not cold, so it's perfect weather to be outside. You know, kids can be playing around and all that. So let's open it up. Let's see how this thing looks. Now, at first, I was thinking, why not? I seen a couple people on Facebook Market where they have the inflatable movie theater thing, the projector. But I'll be looking into that, guys. I'll see if that'll be a nice, cool thing to add. But since we already got this, we're just gonna put this one to work. All right. And that's about it. All right, it looks very simple, guys, and I like simple stuff. All right, no complicated stuff, guys. This is pretty cool too, guys. It got a bag, and if you're interested on these, I'll leave the description, guys. All right. We got so this is like the frame. About it. See what's inside here. Oh, okay. Right here is the screen, the white screen. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's the widescreen right here, guys. All right. So everything looks simple, guys. We gonna make Thanksgiving fun, all right? We gonna make this party fun, guys, all right? And I got a Bluetooth speaker too, big one. All right. So we gonna start with the frame. Hopefully, got some instructions, or hopefully just be easy, all right? But you know what I like? That it's not a lot of stuff. So if I wanted to rent these out, here's the bag. Here's the screen. This is pretty cool. I mean, this is pretty cool to start with. And then later on, once I get my money right, then I can buy the inflatable screen projector. You know what I'm saying? So start off small. You don't have to start expensive. Here's the frame. I still don't see no instructions, guys, so let me see if I can find instructions. I think we're gonna need them, guys. All right, give me a second. All right, guys, so the instructions are right here. All right, so here are the instructions, guys. I'm gonna take my time to read it right now, guys, and then we'll make the video how to install it and all that. All right, but yeah, it looks simple, guys. Nothing complicated. It's just one sheet of paper, and that's pretty good. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so excuse the table, guys, it's dirty, but this is pretty much easy than I thought it was gonna be, guys. It's pretty easy. I already assembled this one, and this is gonna be the corner. Here I got another corner right here. All right, let me show you. This is the corner right here. All right, so now we're gonna assemble this one, which this is the corner, and this is pretty simple, guys. Then we're gonna start right here on these bottom ones. Probably the challenging part is gonna be putting the screen, because it does say that you're gonna need at least one more person to help you out. So it's like a 2-person job for this one, so it won't get damaged. All right, but we'll see if we can make it happen, guys. This right here is not the corner, guys. I think this is actually the roof. All right, this is the roof. So I got that one wrong, but it's the roof. This right here is the roof, guys. All right. And this right here is the corner. Same thing like we did the roof. All right. And there you go, we got the corner, right? Now we're gonna do the bottom part. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the corner attached, got the roof attached, and I got the other corner, but we still need the bottom piece. This is the bottom piece right here. So it is kind of hard when I'm trying to shoot the video, guys, because I'm trying to keep these where it won't fall down. But yeah, let's try to put this one, and it's very simple. These are the bottom pieces, the legs right here. These are the legs, guys, and that's it. The only part that's gonna be more work, I think, is gonna be the screen. All right, pretty simple. All right, that's how we looking like. This is how it's looking like now. All right, so the last part I have to attach is this. It's very easy, it just clips inside. Just push this metal thing, the little circle thing, push it in and force it in until it snaps. Trying to do it with one hand. There you go. Trying to do it with one hand, it is kind of challenging. Now we're gonna do the legs. That's gonna be the next part. It's doing the legs. All right. Same thing. Has a little circle. All of them have a little circle. Easy attachment. Just squeeze and pop in. All right. All right, guys. So I got the first leg already installed. Everything's easy, guys. Pretty easy. Simple. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's easy. All right. There you go. Now we're gonna try to stand it up, I guess. We're gonna see if it'll stand up. And then I'm gonna try to get somebody to help me out put the screen, guys. All right, let's do it. Oh, this is gonna be cool, guys. 92-inch. But yeah, I think an inflatable screen would be cool too, guys. But just to start off with this, it's still cool. There you go. Standing up. All right, so now we're gonna see if we can get this screen right here. And then I still have to go get the projector, guys, and test everything out, adjust the projector so it'll be ready for everybody to watch something good right here. And there you go, guys. All I have to do now is just stake it up and tie it up real good so it won't move around and fly away. And yeah, then we're just gonna bring the projector, adjust it so everything will be ready, and bring the speaker out. So looking nice right now, guys. Yes, sir. kids are ready. I'm gonna put a kids movie, guys, so they can sit down right here and watch the projector, right? So far it's alright. Now the projector is not the best, so I'm gonna have to upgrade the projector to something more high output, because it's not throwing out a lot of light. Alright, but all I have to do is just kind of do a little bit of adjustment. As you can see, it's not level. But yeah, the kids are ready. I'm gonna put a kids movie or something so they can sit down right here, guys. I got the chairs ready, and they can just sit down right here while they about to serve the turkey, all the food, so they can just eat right here outside. Later on at nighttime, you know, when the kids get tired, then we're probably gonna do a bonfire right here outside, and you know, watch something on right here on the projector. But I'm thinking about it, you know what I'm saying? I gotta come up with a price, like how much should I rent out this one, you know? But I was really thinking about the big inflatable projector, but it's still pretty cool to start with. All right, so yeah, I'm about to grab me a little cold beer, my plate, and sit down and watch something right here. Just want to show you how it looks like. This is a 90-inch projector, guys. Projector screen. Let me show you the projectors I have. There go the projector, guys. As you can see, it's not the high output, but since the daylight's almost gone, now, you know, it looks good right now. But I still want to get a better projector, something maybe more updated, you know, because these are old projectors. I have to do as adjusted too, guys. As you can see, it's not level. But yeah, there you go. All right, so I'm about to sit down, guys, and get these chairs ready, guys, so that the family can come outside, and later on we'll start a little fire and watch a nice little movie outside. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. See you next time.
I thought a bro nigga said some talking shit, but they still ain't saying this. You gon' trap this bitch out to the fence.